So first, if you are on the Wix dashboard, to see all of your website, you can just click right here on this button beside Wix logo. Just click on it, and then it will show all of your website. You can just choose on one of them, or you can tap the Wix logo right here at the top left of your screen, which will take you right here to all of your website. And you can also filter and sort it to make a list view or grid view. And just for your info, after you log out from your Wix account and log in again, this window is the one that you will see. However, if you are on the Wix editor, you want to go to the Wix dashboard by tapping right here on the side button at the top left of your screen, and then you want to click on My Dashboard or Exit Editor. And then once you are on the Wix dashboard, you can just do what we do before. And there you go. If you still have any question about Wix, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to view all your website at once on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.